This is a 2009 Infiniti FX35. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a rear-view camera, xenon headlights, alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: 8-way power adjustable seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a rear spoiler, a security system, a chrome grille, rear impact crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 48,000 miles. This Infiniti has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.